What do you think of it? What do you think of your bike? What do you think of it? Loves it. Yeah, he's happy.
You Can Ride Too is a grassroots organization that aims to reduce barriers to cycling for youth with disabilities to ensure that all children can enjoy the freedom and joy of riding a bike.
This Goodwill Industries of Alberta program offers adaptive bicycles to children who require specialized equipment. These bicycles are loaned to participants for one biking season. They are modified, adjusted, and tuned to fit their needs. If it wasn't for this program, these bicycles would be too expensive for most families, and children would miss out on key moments that can be sometimes taken for granted. Wendy Mertz and her son are thankful for this life-changing initiative.
We wouldn't have a bike, so we would be playing in our backyard a lot, and we wouldn't be able to go out as often in the summer.
Many youth have never had a chance to ride a bike or have any degree of control over their own mobility, and all of a sudden that sudden change, and it's like a light turning on.
We provide a really important service for the community. There's a lot of social isolation that comes for youth with disabilities, not only for the youth but for their families as well. And we help break down those isolation barriers by helping kids get out into the community.
It's just giving him lots of independence. He's always, he watches the other kids ride bikes out in the street, and he just loves that he can ride one now too. Especially last summer, I've always wanted to go to Shell and just get an ice cream during the summer, and it was the first summer we could do that, and it was so much fun. So we did that several times last summer.
Founded in 2003, You Can Ride Too joined Goodwill in 2017. Since 2013, a volunteer team of professional mechanics, occupational therapists, and members of the Edmonton bicycle community have helped over 300 children between the ages of 3 and 19 to get an opportunity to borrow a bike. There are currently over 170 adaptive bicycles in a variety of sizes ready to be borrowed at the Goodwill Impact Center and Outlet Store.
So since 2017, we've been connecting with Goodwill Industries of Alberta, and their support has provided this space for us. Some parents even tell me when they wake up it's a lot like Christmas. Whenever they're coming here, they're just like vibrating with excitement on their way here in the car, and then they get here and they try their bike. The smiles are just like unbreakable smiles when they're trying them out and they get to take them home.